Hello everyone, I am Batu, Predictive software specialist from American Workflows. Today, I'll guide you through the AI America P3M software system and provide an overview of the key components in our manufacturing system. Let's get started. AI America P3M platform is a one-stop solution. Choose from a range of modules including energy management, visualization, alarms, machine health, and more to tailor the platform to your specific needs. As you can see, we have the demo stub here, and I'll walk you through the setup we have done to ensure that we are all on the same page. We have created a few factories, each with designated areas, and within these areas, we have several production lines. These production lines are continuously receiving sensor data streams. Now let's focus on these production lines and the corresponding dashboards. We have set up dashboards for you to monitor the production process effectively. You have the flexibility to create as many dashboards as needed to cater to your specific requirements. Within these dashboards, we have organized several categories. These include OEE, packaging line timeline comparison, packaging line workstation, packaging line classic simple OEE timeline, packaging line OEE overview, packaging line, packaging line stop registration, energy. Moving on to the machine health. This is a simple interface displaying various health parameters of the machines. It's a crucial component of our maintenance strategy, ensuring that our equipment operates at peak efficiency. Moving on to the energy monitoring. We have implemented a standard energy monitoring setup coupled onto the packaging line and canning station. This dashboard provides insights into power consumption and CO2 emissions. In case of standby consumption, it will be recorded here. Moving on to the maintenance, we have the work order overview. Next, we have the production planner section. Allows you to set up production schedules, create products, and run batches as per your needs. You have full control to create and manage them within the system. Additionally, I'd like to highlight our sensor customization capabilities. You can create sensors with names of your choosing, and you have an API feature that allows you to generate demo that for these sensors. That wraps up our overview of the system. If you're interested in further discussions or would like to explore the system customization options, please reach out to us. Thank you.